Next, we're going to talk about Damiana. This is Ternura diffusa. The taste is acrid and sweet, and Damiana is warm. It enters the kidney, spleen, and heart, and here we are using the leaves. Damiana is a warm, sweet, acrid herb that warms and tonifies kidney, spleen, and heart yang. It is most commonly used for relieving anxiety and depression and reviving the libido with its potent aphrodisiac properties. Our key points for Damiana: it tonifies kidney, spleen, and heart yang, and it relieves anxiety and depression. So our first function and indication: it tonifies and warms kidney yang. So it's acrid, it's sweet, and it's warm, so it's excellent for tonifying and warming deficient kidney yang, presenting with lethargy, frequent urination, low libido, frigidity, spermaturia, premature ejaculation, impotence, fertility challenges, edema, and a sore, weak, cold, low back, and knees. So these are all kidney yang deficient signs. So there's weakness in the kidneys, and there's also cold because the yang is deficient. Damiana is well known for its aphrodisiac properties due to its strong yang tonifying action. So it's reviving the yang. The yang is, you can think about it like the metabolism of the body, the fire of the body. It gets things moving and activated again. So when that yang is deficient and things aren't functioning well, when that yang is revived and warmed back up, everything functions so much better. Damiana tonifies and warms spleen yang as well. It warms and tonifies spleen yang that manifests with poor appetite, loose stools, undigested food in the stools, abdominal discomfort and bloating after meals, fatigue, cold sensations, and water retention. So again, the spleen yang, it's weak and it's cold, so it's not transforming and warming well. So when that is weak, this is what we see. We see these types of symptoms manifest. It also tonifies and warms heart yang. So we've got spleen, kidney, and heart yang with Damiana. And it relieves anxiety and depression. So it has really wonderful uplifting properties which help relieve anxiety, depression, and apathy. So that saying kind of just, kind of down in the dumps. They really need their spirits uplifted, like a little more fire and a little more yang in their being to uplift their spirits. You can think about a fire that's kind of been put out. It's just kind of smoldering, and when that fire comes back to life, think about sitting around a warm fire. It's warm, it's friendly, people are talking. That's what the tonifying the yang feels like. It's like bringing that fire back up and bringing the light back in their eyes and the joy back into their body, into their mind and their spirit. So by tonifying and warming heart yang, it treats palpitations, fatigue, cold hands and feet, and a stifling sensation in the chest. Our preparation and dosage for Damiana: we drink 3 cups a day, and the tincture is 2 to 5 mils 3 times a day. Our cautions and contraindications with Damiana: we need to use it with caution in cases of heat, dryness, and yin deficiency. So it's warm and it's tonifying to the yang, so if there's already heat and dryness in the body, we need to use it with caution. Again, if you want to utilize its properties of uplifting, its aphrodisiac properties, we can combine it with other herbs that are going to be cooling and moistening and nourishing to the yin. So we can formulate well, we just need to use these herbs with caution in these situations. So we've got a Damiana Chocolate Love Liqueur. This is a lot of fun. This is a recipe that is adapted from Rosemary Gladstar's Herbal Recipes for Vibrant Health on page 245. It's a really fun book full of recipes. It's a beautiful way to bring herbs into your life. So this recipe is adapted from that. We're using a liter of chocolate, almond, or oat milk, 25 mils of Damiana tincture, half a cup of rose water, and then rose petals that are sprinkled on top. So you're mixing, so you have a jar, you mix the chocolate oat milk or almond milk, the tincture, the rose water, you mix that together, leave it in the fridge, let it cool, and then pour that into wine or champagne glasses, maybe a couple of ice cubes. It's really quite nice cold, and then sprinkle the rose petals on top. So it's a beautiful aphrodisiac drink. It's very uplifting. The chocolate and the rose are also help to open the heart, and they're very lovey-lovey, juicy. It's this really beautiful, fun recipe. It makes a really lovely wedding gift if you gift these ingredients and a couple of nice glasses. It's fun for the bride and groom. It's a really, really fun recipe to try. So go ahead and try it.